Hello, hi, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to discuss 10 important questions from the chapter Triangles. What you have to do is, you just pause the video when you get a question and you try to solve yourself. After that, play the video and check whether your answer is correct or not. And attempt 10 questions in this. Let us look at the first question. In figure, the value of x for which DE parallel to BE is. Of course, by using basic proportionality theorem, you can find out its value. Try to find out yourself by pausing this video. Here, according to basic proportionality theorem, you can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now do substitute. AD is x plus 3. So it is x plus 3 by 3x plus 19 is equal to here x by 3x plus 4. Now do cross multiply. That is x plus 3 into 3x plus 4 is equal to x into 3x plus 19. Do simplify. You have to multiply x with 3x plus 4 and 3 with 3x plus 4. So you will get x into 3x. 3x square plus x into 4. 4x plus 3 into 3x. 9x plus 3 into 4. 12 is equal to x into 3x is 3x square plus 90x. Now here in both sides 3x square is there. So while transposing it will be cancelled. Now 4x plus 9x which is 13x plus 12 is equal to 19x. Do transpose 13x to the RHS, that is 19x minus 13x. So you will get 12. That is 6x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 6, you will get 2. So the correct option is B, 2. This is a very common question. Definitely it will be asked for board examination. Now look at the second question. Here a figure in triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC. Again PQ parallel to BC. Now AP is to PB is 1:2. It is given. Then area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC is. Do try to find out yourself. You know the relation of ratios of areas of two similar triangles. That is, if the triangle APQ and ABC are similar, then area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC. You can say ratios of square of the ratios of any two sides. That is AP by AB whole square, or PQ by BC whole square, or AQ by AC whole square. But here the triangles must be similar. In this question, triangle APQ and ABC is not given similar, but instead PQ parallel to BC is given. So if PQ parallel to BC, this angle APQ and angle ABC are equal. Corresponding angles are equal, and angle A is equal to common. Similarly, angle AQP and angle ACB are equal, corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC by AAA similarity. Now here it is given AP is to PB is equal to 1:2. If AP is to PB is equal to 1:2, let AP is equal to K and PB is equal to 2k. Then what about AB? Look at the figure. AB is AP plus PB, that is K plus 2K, which is equal to 3K. Now you know that area of APQ by area of ABC, which is AP by AB whole square, which is equal to AP by AB. AP is K and AB you got it as 3K. So AP by AB the whole square is equal to K by 3K whole square, KK cancel. So it is 1 by 3 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 9. Option D, 1 by 9 is the correct option. Now look at the next question. In triangle ABC, AB 3 cm, AC 4 cm and AD is the bisector of angle A. Then BD is to DC you want to find out. Before doing this question, just look at the property of angle bisector of a triangle. Here, AD is the bisector of angle A. That means this and two angles are equal. Let me take this angle 1 and angle 2. Here you can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, let me draw a line through C parallel to AD. Let it intersect BF produced at a point E. Now, since AD parallel to CE, let these two angles, let me take it as angle ACE is 3 and AE is 4. Now you can see angle 1 is equal to angle 4 because they are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 2 you can write it as angle 3, alternate interior angles. But you know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which implies angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Now look at triangle ACE. In triangle ACE, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Two angles are equal. Then what is the property? The side opposite to those angles, that is AC and AE are equal. So you can write AC is equal to A. Now, since AD parallel to CE, in triangle BCE, consider triangle BCE, you can use basic proportionality theorem, that is AB by AE is equal to, similarly it is BD by DC. Now instead of AE you can write AC. Here we proved AC is equal to A, so you can write AB by AC is equal to BD by DC. So if a bisector is given, then for any triangle you can write AB by AC is equal to BD by DC. This property we can call it as angle bisector theorem. Now look at our question. Here AD is the angle bisector and length of AB and AC are given. So you have to find out BD is to DC. That means BD by DC you can write it as here in AB by AC. That means 3 by 4. BD is to DC you can write it as 3 is to 4. So option C is the correct option. Now look at the next question. Here is your question. In the following figure, AE perpendicular to BC and D is the midpoint of BC. That means AD is the median. You want to find out the value of x. To solve this, you can use Pythagoras theorem. Here, length of BC is equal to A. Then what is length of DC? Of course, it is A by 2 because D is the midpoint of BC. Now let me consider the right angle triangle AED. Here, the hypotenuse is D. So, by Pythagoras theorem, you can write D square is equal to x square plus h square. If it is so, x square, you can write it as D square minus h square. Now, let me consider the right angle triangle AEC. This right angle triangle. Then what is the hypotenuse? B square, you can write it as h square plus, what is EC? ED is x, then DC is A by 2. So it is x plus A by 2 whole square. From this value, you can get the value of h square. H square, you can write it as B square minus x plus A by 2 the whole square, which is equal to B square minus x square plus 2 into x into A by 2, you will get it as xa plus A by 2 whole square is A square by 4. So you can write x square is equal to D square minus x square is B square minus x square plus xa means ax plus A square by 4. That is D square minus B square minus of x square minus h square minus ax minus A square by 4. That is D square minus B square plus x square plus ax plus A square by 4. Multiplying all the terms by negative. Now, in both sides, x square is the x square, while transposing x square minus h square will be cancelled. Now, take ax one side, since we want to find out the values of x. So, the other side will be minus b square will be plus b square, then remaining terms minus d square, then minus a square by 4. So, we transpose d square, it will be minus d square, minus b square to the other side, it is plus b square, and a square minus 4, it is minus a square by 4. Now, what is the value of x? X, you can write it as a transpose to other side, it is 1 by a, then b square minus d square minus a square by 4. So, here option A is the correct option. Now look at the next question. Here, two triangles ABC and PQR are similarly, BC is to CA is to AB is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. You have to find out QR by PR. Let us look at the figure. Here triangle ABC and triangle PQR are given. Now BC is to CA is to AB is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. So in this case you can take it as in terms of K. BC is to 1K and CA is equal to 2K and AB you can take it as 3K, because BC is to CA is to AB is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. So let me mark it here. BC you can take it as K, 1K means K. CA you can take it as 2K and AB you can take it as 3K. Since the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, corresponding sides are proportional. That means here we want to find out QR and PR. So QR containing side Corresponding side of QR will be BC. Corresponding side of PR, it will be AC. So you can write AC by PR is equal to BC by Q. Transpose AC to the RHS and QR to the LHS. What will you get? So you will get QR by PR is equal to here BC by AC, which implies QR by PR. What is BC? BC you can write it as K, and AC you can write it as 2K. K by 2K, which is equal to 1 by 2. So option B, 1 by 2 is your correct answer. Now let us look at the question number 6. Here, in a triangle ABC, a straight line parallel to BC intersect AB and AC at D and E respectively. If the area of ADE is 1/5 of the area of triangle ABC and BC is given as 10, then what DE is equal to? Let us look at the figure. Straight line intersecting AB and AC at D and E respectively. Here BC is 10 centimeter is given. Here the condition given is area of triangle ADE, that means the small triangle, is equal to 1/5 of area of ABC. Or you transpose ABC to the other side, area of ADE by area of ABC, you can write it as 1 by 5. Now, can you prove a triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar? Here, it is given that DE is parallel to BC. Of course, if it is parallel, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, and angle A is equal to angle A common. So, by A similarity, these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then area of those two triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. That is a theorem. So here you can write triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Area of ADE by area of ABC is equal to any corresponding square of any corresponding sides. Here we can take it as DE by BC whole square. Now you know that area of ADE by area of ABC is given as 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is equal to DE square by BC is 10. So it is 10 square. That is DE square by 100 is equal to 1 by 5. So DE square is equal to 100 transpose to the other side. It is 100 into 100 by 5, which is equal to 20. That means DE is equal to square root of 20. 20 is equal to 4 into 5. That is square root of 4 into 5. Square root of 4 is 2. Then 2 root 5. So the correct option is B, 2 root 5 centimeter. Now let us look at the next question. ABC is a right-angled triangle, right-angled rectangle. A circle is inscribed in it. The length of the two sides containing the right angles are 6 cm and 8 cm. Then the radius of the circle is. Now look at the figure. Here a circle with the center O and a right angle triangle ABC is given. The length of two sides, that is one side is 6 cm and other side is 8 cm. Then by Pythagoras theorem you can find out BC. BC is square root of 6 square plus 8 square, that is square root of 36 plus 64 square root of 100 which is equal to 10. So BC you can write it as 10 centimeter. Now we have to find out the radius. Let me draw some of its radius. Here this is, let it be one radius, this also one radius, this also one radius. Here this all radius will be perpendicular to its sides. Now area of triangle ABC you can write it as area of triangle ABC half BH. So here half into, let me take base AB, that is AB into, then its height is S, that is half into 6 into 8 which is equal to 3 into 8, 24 centimeters square. Now let me join OC and OA and OB. Now let me take this radius as R. This is equal to R, or the radius is equal to R. Now let me find out area of AOC. What is the area of AOC? That is equal to base, you can take it as AC. So half into 8 into height which is equal to radius R. So this will be equal to 4 into R which is 4R. Similarly, can you say what is area of AOB? Here base you can take it as AB. So it is half into 6 into height is radius. So it is 3 into R, 3R. And area of BOC, you can take base as BC. So it is half into 10 into R, which is 5 into R, 5R. So sum of all this area, that is area of AOC plus area of AOB plus area of BOC, which is equal to area of the triangle ABC. That means 4R plus 3R plus 5R, which is equal to area of triangle ABC, that we already found it as 24 centimeters square. That means 12R is equal to 24, radius is equal to 24 by 12, which is equal to 2 centimeter. So option B, 2 centimeter is the correct option. Now let us look at the next question. Question number 8. In the adjoining figure, AD is to DC is 2 is to 3. That is AD by DC is equal to 2 by 3. Then the angle ABC, angle B, this you have to find out. For that, length of AB is 10, length of BC is 15 centimeter. Now let me find out what is AB by BC. AB by BC is equal to 10 by 50. Divide by 5, what will you get? 2 by 3. That means here AB by BC is equal to AD by DC. Both are is equal to 2 by 3. That means by converse of angle bisector theorem, this BD is the bisector of angle ABC. So here you can say these two angles are equal. Now consider triangle BDC. Angle DBC, that is angle B, plus angle BCD, that is 30 degree, plus angle CDB, that is 130 degree, is equal to 180 degree. That is angle DBC, you will get it as 180 minus 130 plus 30, 160. So it is 20 degree. So if this angle is equal to 20 degree, the other angle also will be 20 degree. So angle ABC, you can write it as 20 plus 20, which is equal to 40 degree. So here also answer B is the correct option. Now look at the question number 9. A right angle triangle ABC, right angle rectangle. If AD perpendicular to BC such that AD is equal to B, BC is equal to A, the whole length is equal to A, CA is equal to B, and AB is equal to C. Here, this angle is a right angle. You have to find out which relation is the correct one. Here, since ABC is a right angle, you can find out area of ABC. Let me take AB as the base. So, half into base AB into, then height will be S. That is half into AB, you can write it as C, into AC, you can write it as B. In the same way, area of triangle ABC with the base BC, you can write area of ABC with the base BC, it is half into BC into height will be L. That is half into A into P. That means half CB is equal to half AP. Then what is the value of A? Half will be cancelled. P you transpose to the other side. It is CB by P. Now in triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, right angle rectangle A. What is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is BC, that is A. So A square, you can write it as C square plus B square by Pythagoras theorem. So A, you know that it is CB by P, the whole square. You can write it as C square plus B square. That is C square B square by P square is equal to C square plus B square. Now, let me divide all terms by C square B square. What will you get? C square B square by P square divided by C square B square means into 1 by C square B square is equal to C square by C square B square plus B square by C square B square. Here C square B square cancelled, so you will get 1 by P square is equal to C square cancelled, it is 1 by B square plus B square cancelled, so it is 1 by C square. So 1 by P square is equal to 1 by B square plus 1 by C square. Here option B is the correct option. Now look at the last question. It is in a given triangle ABC, triangle ABC is equal to 90 degree. That means angle B is equal to 90 degree. BM is the median. AB 8 and BC 6 cm. Then length of BM is equal to. Here you can find out the length of AC. By Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, that is 8 square plus 6 square, which is equal to 64 plus 36 root 100, which is equal to 10 centimeter. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Then can you say what is AM? Since BM is the medium, M is the midpoint of AC, so AM is equal to 5 centimeter, MC also 5 centimeter. Now there is a property. What is that? If M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse, all the vertices are equidistant from M. That means MA is equal to MB is equal to MC. So here BM is equal to AM, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So option C is the correct option. Do practice all these questions thoroughly. Do watch the MCQ videos prepared by me for the chapter coordinate geometry and trigonometry. We'll prepare MCQ for another chapter next time. Till then, bye bye.